Hi, I'm Simon from NovaStar Europe team. In this video, I'll talk about our cloud solution consisting of 4 parts, namely hardware, software, cloud platform, and our cloud monitoring. For hardware, we've got some models for hot sale, like our Taurus series, Mbox 600, and the JT100. Here you can see both the old and new Taurus series, old version TB3, TB6, and TB8. A new version accordingly TB30, TB50, and TB60. The greatest difference lies in their loading capacity, 650,000, 1.3 million, and 2.3 million pixels. They can all do backup. Around here, you can find temperature and light sensors, which are helpful for some outdoor scenes requiring automatic adjustment. You can find different antennas and some other ports here. You want to find out more about this series? We will offer you some more detailed materials to the devices at the end of this video. Come check them out yourself. Our Mbox 600 is especially favored by those who prefer their own playback software on our device and on our cloud platform. And if you had some specific needs in the traffic field, our JT100 can also help. For software, we've got Viplex Express and its phone version Viplex Handy. This program can either work in sync or async mode. For example, here we choose async mode for remote control. You can create and send solutions, arrange an appropriate schedule, or do other control like brightness, network, time synchronization management. Playback can also serve as a record of how many times an advertisement has been displayed. And here you can see Viplex Handy. But now suppose you are in your house and you just want to sit back, relax, and send contents to your displays all around the world. Then our cloud platform Vnox must be a go-to choice. All you need is to register an account and select a server node, and you can log in for further operations. Available at the moment are 2 versions, Vnox Standard and Vnox AD. Choose the one that meets your needs according to the comparison uploaded to our GTS NetDisk. The Vnox interface looks almost the same as Viplex Express. And this is Vnox AD. But what if some situation occurs on site? In this case, our cloud monitoring platform in new generation Vnox Care can bring you advantages like information monitoring, instant warning notification, accurate fault diagnosis, and so on. Finally, if you are interested in what I've covered today, we have prepared relevant materials for you. Feel free to log in onto our public NetDisk Nova GTS for further info about Nova Cloud Solution.